Elektrotermia, for over 60 years, pays great attention and care to the smallest details, so that the work of many hands meets the expectations of many customers. That's 6 decades of combining passion, experience, and professionalism, and creating a company friendly to customers, employees, and business associates. A team of top specialists skillfully operates the latest technologies to precisely respond to the needs of every customer. All this to raise the quality of services and change the way we look at the fields we are involved in. We have the latest equipment for laser cutting, 3D fiber laser for cutting closed profiles, lasers for flat sheets. The automated material storage system streamlines processes and eliminates downtime, providing full control over materials, their identification and availability, while ensuring efficient loading and unloading in a fully automated manner. We tailor solutions to the individual expectations of our partners. Modern press brakes? We have them. And we won't hesitate to use them to provide high-precision services in a short time frame. We will carry out welding services for simple and complex structures in accordance with the implemented standard EN 1091 and ISO 3834-2. We will create robust aesthetic enclosures for various applications. Tumble finishing effectively removes sharp edges and improves surface quality. Laser welding joins materials with the highest accuracy and minimum thermal impact, as well as minimizes the need for additional finishing. The wide belt sander produces an aesthetic finish, removes sharp edges, and offers precise rounding. Detail identification system ensures full control over orders, while the sorting area enables their precise segregation. Top quality aesthetics are important to us, so all elements are carefully ground and precisely finished. We have enormous capabilities in inserting fastening elements, threading, welding, or riveting, and rolling will give the sheets the required shape. Our technologically advanced powder coating line, completed with a precisely tuned surface preparation process, is the key to providing products not only long-lasting, but also aesthetically finished. Since 1961, we have been one of the leaders among manufacturers of heating elements. At Elektrotermia, we utilize solutions from world masters in the heating industry such as Canthal, Oakley, or CSM. We have a technical base that allows the realization of unconventional solutions related to heating elements. Our specialty is unusual heaters, used not only in industry, but also in many homes. We are engaged in the production of tubular heaters of the required shape and various applications, as well as flat and band heated elements based on micanite or ceramic fittings. We will fulfill for you any order for all kinds of cartridge heaters, radiant heaters, high-power heating elements, coil, and silicone heaters. We will also deliver elements resistant to temperatures up to 1900 degrees. Elektrotermia is an expert in the field of manufacturing electrical switchboards used in industrial, residential, and public utility construction. This commits us. Our products not only efficiently distribute electric power, but also play a crucial role in powering individual devices and perform their function as a part of smart building installation, as well as in complex processes of industrial automation. We closely cooperate with leading global manufacturers in the electrical market. Thus, we deliver devices based on nearly every power distribution system. Every product that leaves our production undergoes rigorous testing and verification in an advanced electrical laboratory, and we confirm the test with a protocol and a declaration of conformity. For over 6 decades, we've been developing for you to create solutions tailored to your needs. www.elektrotermia.com.pl